Okay, now you might wonder how you do this type of questions in front of us. It involves some bills, and there are two games. There is a bag A. Whatever is happening in bag A, something is different happening with bag B. So, how you do this question? Well, I'm not gonna go in detail and tell you exactly what you need to do here. But first, my question is, do you have mathematical expectation formula on your study aid? Whenever you have mathematical expectation question on your handout, you should be looking at this and figure out your way to find out the question. So now let's just open. I'm going to use the formula. Let's just open a new page here. Let's go back to the question. So we have two games here. Let's talk about uh, game number one, which is bag A. So there are 10 $10 bills. 10. Okay, let's go and write that down. There are first, I'm sorry, before we write that down, mathematical expectation question, probability. Let's talk about the probability. There are 10 $10 bills, and there are 7 $20 bills. 7 $20 bills. So I will either choose one of the 10 $10 bill or one of the 7 $20 bill. So in this bag, there are 10 $10 bill and 7 $20 bill, which means I have total of 17 options. Total of 17 options. I don't have any other options here. I just have $10 or $20 and 10 of them and 7 of them. But that's it. I don't have more options here. There are no $5 bill. There are no $50 bill. Excuse me. So that's the probability. Let's take this. Let's leave it here. So I will use this soon. So let's go back to the formula. Probability. So I just wrote that down. How much money I will win? So let's go and figure that out. How much money I will win? Open the bracket. How much money I will win? Let's go back to the question. The detailed information here tells you that whatever money you get from the bag, that's what you're gonna keep. So which means there are 10 $10 bills, 7 $20 bills. So if I choose $10, I'm gonna keep that. If I choose $20, I'm gonna keep that. So let's go back to the formula. For the first probability, there are 10 $10. How much money I will win? I will win $10. Let's go back to the other one. Let's do at the same time. How much money I will win here? If I get $20, I'm gonna keep the $20 here, and subtract that. While the subtraction comes from the formula, and now I'm gonna write down how much money I will lose. Your bet money. So let's figure out what will be your bet money. What would be your bet money? And there are 10 $10 bill and 7 $20, and player must bet. Good. One must bet $12. So for bag A, my bet money is $12. So let's go write that down. $12 is my bet money, so I will lose that. $25 is my bet money. I will lose that. This is what you have to come up with. So I'm not going to go in details. Once you have this, you know you need to do the brackets first, which is -2. Over here, brackets first, which is 8. So just go ahead with what you have practiced. But this is what I expect you to come up with. And now, after you do the calculation, you will either get a negative number or a positive number, or it's probability, you might get 0, which will make bag A, if you get 0, I know you won't, but anyway, which will make bag A fair game. So it's not going to be advantage or disadvantage if you get 0. That's just a fair game. So you got just 3 options here. You will get either a negative number, 0, or positive number. I can do a quick another example about bag B. Let's quickly talk about bag B. There are 6 $10 bill, 6 $10 bill. How many $20 bill? There are 8 $20 bill. So the total is 6 plus 8 is 14. So there are 14 total options. And open the bracket. And I will write down how much money I will get, which is $10. I get $10. I keep the $10. That's the win. Minus. I'll get the $20. That's the win. And now let's write down the money we will lose, which will be the bet money. And for that bag, the bet money is at that $17. All right. Let's go write down how much money you're gonna bet that you will lose. 17 will be gone. 17 will be gone, but you will either get $20 back after 17 is gone, or you will get $10 back after 17 is gone. That's different, but yeah, this is what you need to come up with. But do make sure you have the formula, mathematical expectation formula with your study aid. Mathematical expectation equals to all probabilities. You need to add all probabilities. The first probability, whatever it is, write down the first probability, first option, and money you will win subtracted with money you will lose, which is your bet money.